The last few dinner parties I've had, a lemon delicious is my go-to dessert. It's not only easy to make, it's a total crowd pleaser. And I love it that much, I've added it to my recent book, The Slow Cook. And there's two ways of cooking this: in the oven, which I'm going to do today, but you can also cook it in a slow cooker. So let's get on with the batter. In a food processor or a mixer, I'll add some butter. You want the butter to be softened, and this is just going to help us cream the butter and the sugar together, along with some caster sugar. And I'll start mixing this. And in the meantime, I'm going to get my lemons ready. So 2 lemons for this. I'll need the zest of 2 lemons and also the juice. We'll need about 1/3 of a cup of the juice. I want this to have a really tangy flavour to it. It's one of those comforting winter desserts, but also quite light, particularly if you're having a dinner party with lots and lots of food. Fantastic. And in goes our lemon zest. Oh, see how perfectly creamed that is? That's what I'm after. So we'll just start to mix that lemon all the way through that sugar and butter. And as the motor is still going, I'm going to slowly add the eggs. Now I've separated my eggs, so I have 4 yolks and then 4 egg whites. As you can see, I've already pre-beaten these eggs until they're stiff, and then I'll add some flour. Now it's time to add flour, only 1/2 a cup of flour. I'll need quite a lot of milk for this and also 1/3 of a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Okay, I've placed the lemon and egg yolk mixture into another bowl, and I do this because I want to keep as much air as possible into this, so gently folding as opposed to mixing it in your mixer. So we're going to start with about 1/3 of the egg whites and then slowly fold it in. You really do want to take your time and be as gentle as possible so it's light and fluffy. This is almost going to be like a lemon souffle, so it's going to rise and be super light. I've greased a dish, so this is about a 1 litre capacity dish, just with some butter, and this is going to bake in a bain-marie in the oven at 170 degrees for about 40 minutes, or until it's got a lovely crust and it's got a slight wobble in the centre. The lemon delicious is out of the oven and it was lovely and puffy, and then just slowly comes down, but you can still see it holds its shape. I like to serve mine hot and then serve it with some really cold creme fraiche. So a little dusting of icing sugar over the top. I can smell the lemon, it's so good. And I'm gonna take a generous portion out. You can see there's that little wobble. And I just want to show you how gorgeous and light this is. See that? It's a cross between a souffle, a sponge, all of the things we love. And onto a plate. And some cold creme fraiche. I've just got a hot spoon. I'll just get a nice spoonful of that onto the top. And just because I've got the icing sugar here, some extra icing over the top. This is a lovely dessert to show off in front of your friends and family. Oh, it's so good. It's that tang of the creme fraiche, tang of the lemon, and then that fluffy texture. Such a delicious dessert. And that sensation of hot pudding and cold creme fraiche, you just can't beat it every time. So good.